Hello everybody, what is up and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. So before I show you guys how you guys can do it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future crypto related video. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link down in the description. If you use our link to sign up into Binance, then you guys can get up to $10 bonus for free. So use that link and let's get on with the video. So to transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet, first you want to go to Trust Wallet. Once you're in your Trust Wallet, you want to choose which coin you want to receive. So let's say I want to receive Ethereum. I want to click on Ethereum and then I want to click on copy. What this is going to do is this is going to copy my address of Ethereum. Alright. So after I copy that, I want to go to Binance. So let me go to my Binance. And once you're in your Binance account, you want to click on where it says wallet at the bottom. Click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, you want to go over here and search for the coin which you want to transfer. For me, it's Ethereum, which is ETH over here. I click on Ethereum and I want to click on where it says withdrawal. I want to click on withdrawal. Once I click on withdrawal, I want to paste the address which I copied from my Trust Wallet. So I'm going to paste it over here. And it's going to automatically select the network, but if you want to select it by yourself, you can just click on network and choose which network you want to transfer it to. Remember, if you choose a wrong network, then like your coin is lost. So just keep that in mind. You need to choose correct network to which you're transferring your coin. After choosing the correct network, you want to enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send to the person. If you click on max, then all the Ethereum stored on your Binance wallet is going to be transferred. So just keep that in mind. You can enter a custom amount or enter a max. So let's say I want to send 1 Ethereum. I can enter 1. And then I can click on withdrawal over here. So right now my withdrawal is not highlighted because I don't have a Ethereum. But if I did have Ethereum on my account, once I click on withdrawal, it's going to send a verification code to my email, or it's going to send the verification to my phone's SMS. Whichever two-factor authenticator you have turned on, it's going to ask you to fill up that two-factor authenticator. And after you verify yourself, it's going to send the money to your Trust Wallet account, and it's basically done. That's basically how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And you guys can use our referral link down in the description to sign up to get a $10 bonus. And I will see you guys in a bit. Bye bye.